In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for resume building. 2026 full guide. Building a standout resume can feel intimidating, especially with modern hiring systems scanning for clarity, relevance, and measurable impact. We're going to turn a blank page into a clean, ATS-friendly resume using ChatGPT while keeping everything accurate, professional, and tailored to your goals. First, gather your raw information. Before worrying about formatting, open ChatGPT and ask it to interview you so nothing important gets missed. Say, act as an expert resume builder. I want to construct a brand new resume from scratch. Ask me 5 specific questions, one at a time, regarding my education, core technical skills, work experience, projects, and career goals. Answer honestly and thoroughly with unedited details. Include dates, job titles, tools, and technologies, and any outcomes you can recall. Don't polish yet, just get everything out. Next, turn that data into a modern single-column layout that applicant tracking systems can easily read. In ChatGPT, say, structure my raw data into a clean, professional text layout. Organize it sequentially using standard industry headers: professional summary, core technical skills, professional experience, projects, and education. Ask it to avoid tables, graphics, and multiple columns. Keep contact details minimal and professional, and prioritize readability over design flourishes. Now, convert duties into high-impact accomplishment statements. Say, look at my professional experience and projects. Rewrite the descriptions into bullet points that emphasize results and technical metrics. Encourage strong action verbs and measurable outcomes: percentages improved, time saved, costs reduced, performance gains. If you don't have exact numbers, provide reasonable estimates you can defend. Keep each point concise and focused on results, and use past tense for previous roles. Then tailor the draft to your target role. Paste a job description into ChatGPT and say, here is a target job description. Audit the resume draft we just built. Adjust the terminology, highlight my matching skills, and weave in critical industry keywords. Make sure the language mirrors the posting without exaggeration. Keep everything truthful while aligning phrasing, tools, and responsibilities with the employer's needs. Finally, run a quality check. Say, review our complete resume draft one last time. Check for grammatical errors, ensure date formats are uniform, and verify the layout uses clean markdown so I can copy it into a template. After copying to your editor, confirm consistent spacing, punctuation, and tense. Use a clean, readable font and sensible margins. Keep early career resumes to one page when possible. By letting AI handle structure and phrasing, you'll present your real value clearly and confidently. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.